Hi there, students. An apothem. This is a short, intelligent saying, like a proverb or an aphorism or something like that. Measure twice, cut once. This is a common apothem. Okay, so an apothem is a short, intelligent saying that's there to express a general truth. It's to say what you should do. Brevity is the soul of wit. It's a short, pithy saying. Apothem. Apothematical as an adjective. Okay, it's an aphorism, a smart, clever remark. And this is the idea of an apothem, something that is short, that is quite intelligent, that is quite witty, a maxim, a saying. Tomorrow is another day is a common apothem. Yeah. Okay. These are the things that people use to express a short, easy idea. It's something to remember. It's sometimes even quite smart. So haste makes waste. Yeah. You go too fast, you end up in trouble. So a short remark which contains some generally expected truth. Okay, so an apothem. It's an instructive saying, an aphorism, a maxim, some sort of adage, something. It's short, it's witty, and it's really quite intelligent. So an apothem. There are lots and lots of apothegms in English. So it's like a short, witty saying. Birds of a feather flock together. That's a common apothem. Yeah, it's like a maxim or a proverb. Okay, so an apothem. Notice the strange, the strange pronunciation. It's some sort of aphorism. It's a saying. Okay, there are lots of words to say this. A stitch in time saves 9. Yeah, it's some sort of mantra, some sort of axiom, some sort of guideline that tells you what you should do. Marry in haste, repent at leisure. That's definitely another common apothem. Okay, so different people have different apothegms. George Orwell's apothem, Big Brother is watching you. It's a synonym of an aphorism. Time heals everything is a popular apothem. Yeah, apothematic is the adjective. Apothematically. You could even apothemize to make short phrases out of it, or even an apothematist, somebody who makes these. Okay, so an apothem is a short phrase that it says something really quite smart, something that's useful. Okay, formality. This is a fairly unusual word. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality, using a semi-formal writing or something formal, or a formal conversation. And then as to origin, it comes through French, from medieval Latin, apothema, from ancient Greek, apothema, apothemomai, to speak out. Okay, so effectively you're speaking out. It's something that is speaking about. It's something said, but I think you could translate this directly as an apothem. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Apothegm.